Hey, and welcome to Algorithm. My name is Ali and I am doing experiments with front end. Here you can see this web experiment called PACMAN using CSS only. As you can see here, not just a moving boundary circles. Actually, there is so many stuff going here. Now, let's start. First, I will create a wrapper to contain our PACMAN. I will create a PACMAN div, and inside this PACMAN div I will create the top mouth and the bottom mouth, and after refreshing you can see anything, and that's obvious. In the CSS I will add a basic normalization tag with a margin of 0, parent 0, box sizing set to border box. Then I will assign the minimum height to 100 and the background color to nice looking black. I will assign the display system of the wrapper to grid. Many people use flex here, but I prefer grid, and this because I will write just 2 lines. I always try to debug with the background color red or border 1 pixel solid red to make it easier to see what's going on. So I will make this 1 pixel solid red border. Actually, I could delete this height property and replace it with the aspect ratio. Can get rid of these 2 divs and deal with the pseudo elements. Feel like a genius when I use them. The only difference between a real element and a pseudo element is just this content parenthesis property. I still cannot see the pseudo element. Actually, inset 0 in those pseudo elements will ruin the goal I want to achieve. I will get a 100% with a 50% height, and the real trick here, the border radius, we make it something like, I will override the pseudo element to param and change the border radius to the opposite. So can I change this background color to orange? Draw an eye on the top half. We will use an overlaid gradient that acts like background to the radial gradient. Linear gradient orange. The position of his eye needs to be tweaked a little. Is using custom CSS variables which we create by double dashing. Here variable eye size, and you must try calc. This is good, but the eye has some jagged border. We can eliminate this by summing by a 1 pixel. It will clean it. Writing some keyframes and animation in CSS. I will say PACMAN -5 degrees animation. PACMAN with double N. 1 second. Linear infinite. The origin point. 0% on the x-axis and full 100% on the y-axis. To see the elements, we will make it. It's very good, but we need some reverse animation direction because it's opening and closing. We can make it nice. 300 milliseconds. Can also change this linear easing function to steps 2. It's a full PACMAN character that we can use. If you like what you have seen, consider subscribing, pushing that like button. I will leave a link to the CodePen experiment in the description. Also, I will leave my socials in the description, and bye.